Are you ready to turn your passion into a thriving business? At 3CIR, we specialize in helping military and emergency services personnel transition into successful entrepreneurs. Introducing our Certificate 3 in Entrepreneurship and New Business. This course is designed to equip you with the essential skills to launch and manage your own business. Our program covers everything from developing a business plan to managing finances and marketing your brand. You'll gain hands-on experience and practical knowledge that you can apply immediately. Learn how to identify business opportunities, create innovative solutions, and build a sustainable enterprise. Our expert instructors will guide you every step of the way.
3CIR gave me the confidence and skills I needed to start my own business. The support and practical training were invaluable.
Whether you're looking to start a new venture or grow an existing one, our Certificate 3 in Entrepreneurship and New Business is your gateway to success. Visit 3CIR.com and enroll today. Transform your ideas into reality with 3CIR. Your future as an entrepreneur starts here.